The biggest thing I love about SHIFT Enterprise Academy is that it has given me an opportunity to acquire knowledge and learn much more about e-commerce. From signing up as an enterpriser with SHIFT Enterprise Academy to finally being selected amongst the top 4 enterprisers to pitch their business idea to the panel of judges. All I can say is that the change has been very drastic. From having this perspective that online businesses are the worst, to finally changing my mindset about them. Just like the academy shifted my thinking, with your support, we can reach out to so many young enterprisers and help them realize their goals. Please donate. Thank you.